all, welcome to Prakriti Vlog. I am Krithika. Hope you all are doing good. Now, time is around 3 in the morning and you might be wondering where are we going today at this early in the morning. Today, we are going to Chikkamagaluru with BMR riders. This is our first long ride with BMR. Today's meetup point to start the ride is at Gurguntepalya and we all are asked to be at this spot before 4:15 so that we can start ride by 4:30. We left early from home since we are living far away from the meetup location so that we can be there on time. Right now we are at the location. Some of them had already reached before us and waiting for many others. Before starting the ride, there was a briefing session about today's ride and what are the rules need to be followed while riding.
പിന്നെ രണ്ട് സെനേരിയോ ഉണ്ട്. നമ്മൾ ഒരു ട്രാഫിക് ബ്ലോക്കിൽ നിർത്തി ആ സമയം ചിലപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ പകുതി പോയി നിന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അവിടെ നമ്മുടെ ഉത്തരവാദിത്തമാണ് അത് അവരെ ഒക്കെ എത്തിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് സ്ലോ ഡൗൺ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു 10 വണ്ടി മുന്നോട്ട് പോയി ബാക്കി 5 വണ്ടി പുറകിലാവുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ 10 വണ്ടിയിലത്തെ ഏറ്റവും പുറകിലുള്ള ആൾ സ്ലോ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ തൊട്ട് മുന്നിലുള്ള ആൾ സ്ലോ ചെയ്തോളും. അങ്ങനെ സ്ലോ ചെയ്ത് ബാക്ക് മൊത്തത്തിൽ സ്ലോ ആയിക്കോളും. പിന്നെ ബാക്കിലത്തെ വണ്ടി വരുന്ന സമയത്ത് നമുക്ക് ആ ഒരു പേസ് കീപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. അതല്ല,
all are getting ready and we are lining up based on our number in the queue to start the ride. And now time is around 5 and the ride begin all the way to Chikkamagaluru. Right now we are at the restaurant A to B to have our breakfast. podcast. We are planning to start our journey towards Chikkamagaluru. It was very cloudy, hence, we all geared up wearing our raincoats. Before joining this riding group, I was not much aware about this riding community and how they ride and how safe it is. But now I realize that their topmost priority is the safety, not the speed. They take all the precautionary measure before they start their ride and make sure that everybody in the group follows it. BMR is the one of the riding community which create awareness and discipline among the riders when they ride as a group. On our way through Hassan, we could see very beautiful jowar field on both the side of the road. Right now, we are at Beluru Chennakeshava Swami Temple. This is one of the culturally and historically rich temple of Karnataka. This is all about this vlog. Hope you all liked and enjoyed our vlog. In the next vlog, I will be sharing you more about the Beluru Chennakeshava Swami Temple. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification of all our upcoming video. Do like, share and comment. See you in the next vlog. Until then, bye. Stay tuned.